Hello students, welcome to the channel Vedantu NCERT Solutions class 11th and 12th, where we find solutions of NCERT back exercises of physics, chemistry and biology on a single platform. And children, the question that you see on the screen is of chapter number 4 of your class 12th biology, and the name of the chapter is Principles of Inheritance. Yes बच्चों, आज हम जो चैप्टर का exercise solve करने वाले हैं, that is principles of inheritance, right? So it is the first question in front of you. Mention the advantages of selecting pea plant for experiments by Mendel. तो Mendel ने basically pea plant को ही क्यों choose किया for his experiments? We have to give certain advantages for it. So सबसे पहले बच्चों हमें समझना होगा garden peas को grow करना बहुत easy है. You can easily grow them in your kitchen garden as well. Secondly, Mendel could easily see contrasting traits in the plant. तो बेसिकली अगर कोई कैरेक्टर है, जैसे हाइट इज़ वन कैरेक्टर, तो उसके दो कंट्रास्टिंग अलील्स या ट्रेट्स मैंडल को क्लियरली फिनोटिपिक कैरेक्टर्स में भी नजर आ गए थे, दैट इज टॉल एंड ड्वार्फ. इवन इन द सीड्स यू कैन फाइंड एन एग्जांपल राउंड एंड रिंकल्ड शेप, green and yellow color of seeds. So these were contrasting characters, right, which he could easily see. Thirdly, children, there was one other important point, that it was very easy to grow, first of all I said, and secondly it was very quick to grow. मतलब कि next generation आपको next progeny बहुत जल्दी मिल जाती थी. So and you could get enough number of seeds. So Mendel could obtain enough number of seeds जो कि वो next generation को grow करने के लिए use कर सकता था. उसके बाद बच्चों प्लांट के अंदर हमें बाइसेक्चुअल फ्लावर्स मिलते थे, तो बेसिकली सेल्फ पॉलिनेशन बहुत इजी है पी प्लांट्स में. लेकिन एट द सेम टाइम इफ़ यू आर डूइंग एनी एक्सपेरिमेंट यू कैन ईजिली क्रॉस पॉलिनेट द फ्लावर्स एज वेल. तो ये कुछ एडवांटेजेस थी जिसकी वजह से मैंडल ने पी प्लांट को ही चूज़ किया फॉर हिज एक्सपेरिमेंट. सो वी विल एनलिस्ट द एडवांटेजेस नाउ. सो आई एम राइटिंग हेयर एडवांटेजेस ऑफ सेलेक्टिंग pea plant. Advantages of selecting pea plant is that number one could be easily grown. It could be easily grown. Secondly, number of seeds obtained were very large, or you can write very good in number, right? And thirdly, children, as I said, contrasting pair of characters could be easily obtained. Contrasting traits could be easily observed, right? Could be easily observed. After this, you can write that though the plant was bisexual, though the flowers were bisexual and showed cross pollination and showed self pollination, but cross pollination could also be achieved. Artificially, right? Cross pollination could also be achieved, right? So these were some of the reasons, children, that Mendel selected garden peas for his experiments. So I hope, children, the solution is clear to you. If you have liked it, hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to channel Vedantu NCERT Solutions to get such solutions for the NCERT back exercises. I'll see you in the next session. Till then, bye bye.